Here's a beautiful Ford you definitely won't see every day. 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 with the 7-liter package. That's right, 428 underneath the hood of this one. And it is the original 7-liter package car. And it is in very, very nice shape. I said a frame-off restoration back in 1999 and had some freshening up since then. 2008, it was freshened up a little. Some of the things I can tell you about this car, it is the original color scheme that it would came with. This was a black on black car. It is also a 4-speed, paired up with that 428 underneath the hood. As far as the paint goes, in nice shape also. I would call it a top of the line driver quality paint. You can see how straight this car is up and down the side of it too. And of course you can see the reflection of the background of the other car, so it does have a nice shine to it, riding on red line wheels. See the bright work bumper, grille, all of that also in very nice shape on this one. Definitely a nice car to take into your local shows, cruise-ins. Now, if you'd like to see the still pictures, you can check out the engine bay, interior, trunk, undersides of this car, see how solid it is. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, down below this video, there's a link, and click on that. That'll take you right to it. Number we can be reached at, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions we can on this one. Now, like I said, you can tell this is a 7-liter package because it has a 63D on the door tag. And if you decode that door tag, like I said, you're going to come up with an original black on black car. It is a 7-liter package. The only other option this one had besides that 7-liter package was supposedly the AM/FM radio in it. You can also tell that this was originally a 4-speed car off that data tag. This would have a 325 gear ratio in it. A couple of things that were added since we're over here looking on the inside. That tack, that would have been added later on. Now it is an era correct tack, and it would have come out of an F55 package car. And then there are a few gauges underneath the dash. Other than that, everything appears to be pretty stock and the way it would have came from Ford back in '66. This car spent the majority of its life in North Carolina, Tennessee area. Was originally delivered to Richmond, Virginia. Checking out a few of my notes here. Again, check out the paint. Again, nice shape. You can see the reflection of the lights off the ceiling. A little bit about the engine. It was bored 40 over. It does have forged pistons and rods, roller cam, a Ford Police aluminum intake, and cast iron R-code headers. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. We'll start this up. Check out the interior here too. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we can see the still pictures. And 507-386-1726 is, of course, the number we can be reached at. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Door panels. Of course, here's the tag I'm talking about that you can decode everything off. There'll be a close-up picture of that if you'd like to check it out in those still pictures. Interior is as nice as the exterior on this one. Let's go ahead and fire this up and check out underneath the hood. Take a look at the engine. Great sounding car too. Imagine rolling into your local car shows, cruise-ins. See that tack is functioning. Fuel gauge appears to work. And all the other gauges underneath here. Dash also in nice shape. Oh, listen to this. Don't hear many that sound better. Wow. I'm going to to go ahead and pause this a second. We'll get that hood popped and let's check out that engine bay. All right, look at this. So as far as equipment, power steering, power brakes, we got 428. Listen how smooth that runs. Those headers I was talking about earlier. Like I said, just as nice under here as the rest of the car. And again, check out those still pictures. You see the underside interior. Feel free to give us a call too. Expect this car to have a lot of attention. See this and you're interested? Give us a call. Once again, the phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the pictures. Click on the link below this video. Take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. 1966 Ford Galaxie 500. The 7-liter package and 428 underneath the hood and a 4-speed to boot. Give us a call.